And, you know, to your point, we've talked, you know, as we've been watching this together, he was on the stand for a really long time.
Yes.
Right? And he is very likable. He talks in layman's terms. But, you know, how do you get in and get out with this particular witness? How do you just make your point without keeping him on the stand too much longer and then losing that point?
The jurors, I always use this analogy. They are standing on a swaying boat. It's swaying left and right, left and right. If you ask them at any given time in the trip, where is the boat leading, they'll tell you where it's leading at that moment, right? It's always swaying. When that witness, Dr. Andrew Clark, got on the stand, in my opinion, he swayed the boat in favor of not guilty by reason of insanity. So to answer your question, Matt, if I was a prosecution, I would come back and rely on the fact that, hey, this is still your opinion. We have a video. We know what she did. We know that she did it the way she did it. You know, can you admit that sometimes you're wrong? Can you admit that sometimes somebody will just play this up? She might be a malingerer. So that's where I would leave it. I would leave it with open-ended questions and let him get off the stand and get on with my other expert who's going to say something different.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's the best play here. You go in, you get out, and then you bring your own expert in. I think that's the best play. All right, Mike.